Hello. Today I'll be building my Alice AT from FEKER. It's actually a budget keyboard that is a budget FEKER layout keyboard. Man, I cannot word. A budget Alice layout keyboard. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. I'll be showing you the build process, what I do to the keyboard. Actually not build process, basically I'm just gonna show you what I use for the keyboard, what I did, and yeah, the features of this keyboard, I guess. Yeah, let's get on to it. So this is actually a backbone keyboard set. The set included a few things which are pretty useful. They included this coil cable, which is honestly a nice thing that they include. A few keycaps for the spacebar and also extra B key. A switch and keycap puller. So this PCB is actually south-facing switches, also has this very nice tactile feeling knob. So opening up this keyboard, it actually came with this silicone dampener, and a unique feature about this is actually gasket mounted. For this keyboard I'll be using JWick Black's version 2 with Everglide version 2 stabilizers, and I'll be using this PE foam sound dampening for this PCB. Actually, before the sound test, I would like to say that I removed the sound dampening silicone thing that was inside the keyboard, because with it sounded really muted, so just bear in mind. Yeah, back to the video.